Hey guys, we received this custom Empire Shop Store personalized extra large picnic blanket. So you can see you can personalize this blanket by typing in your name or your family name and then just put it in here. So we just put in this name just for test and try. We received this sample and this is a really nice waterproof, sandproof material as you can see and a large thing with a nice premium quality blanket. So this can be used indoor and outdoor and you can put it anywhere you want. So just open it completely and see the whole size. So this is a portable blanket and you can see that there is no issue with this quality with the stitching with the corners and also the folding and anything is easy. It's portable, you can take it anywhere you want. So it's pretty cool thing. So this is the whole size and you can see it's a quite large size and people can also sit. It's almost like use it on a sand or water or anywhere, and then you can also use it indoor for some play or the work. So a nice outdoor or indoor picnic blanket, foldable and portable that can be used anywhere you want. Also can be customized for the text you want.